All right, say hi, Mimi and Poppy.
Mimi and Papa.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay, the pink one is for Mila and the green one is for you.
Look, this is the screen. Happy.
What is it?
It's guys.
What is it?
It's Peeps.
Peeps?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you say?
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
You're not looking at the camera.
Thank you, Mimi and Poppy.
There you go.
Mama,
Say I love you.
I love you.
Mila, say love you.
What's rooms for them? What's rooms for this?
I think that's just stuffing for the box. I bet there's some cards in there.
This one's for Lena, and this one's for Mom. This one's
Open. Mila, do you want to open your card?
No. Open.
You want to open your Peeps?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this? What's this?
Here, Mila.
No. Oh, God.
What's it say, Christiana? Hold up, Mila. It's coming. What's it?
It's Christiana, I love you because there's a heart for me.
There's a heart for you. I can't see it, but I bet Mimi drew that heart just for you. Do you think she loves you?
Yeah.
Do you love her?
Mhm.
Do you love Poppy?
Yeah.
So what do you say?
Thank you.
And what else do you say?
What?
Say I love you.
I love you.
Mila, say love you.
Oh, can I have another piece?
All right, give kisses and then say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give a beso.
Bye.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.